G'day, how you doing? I'm just going to show you a simple thing in Excel of how to insert a new worksheet and copy everything from your first worksheet to another one. So as you can see here, I have my worksheet, really simple worksheet, a bunch of data I've entered, as well as some simplistic sum formulas, nothing major in here. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is, if you notice to the left of the A above the number 1, there's a little arrow. If I click on that, it selects all. If I press Control C, then what I can do is I can either insert a worksheet with that little button, or if you have an older version of Excel, you can right click on the worksheet you're currently working on, and you can go Insert. It'll say what do you want to insert. You select Worksheet, you press OK, and then it's told you, hey, A1, which is where I want my data to start from because it's selected all, and I Control V, and as you can see with the show formulas, all my formulas have been copied without copying the information from the actual worksheet address itself. That latter part, if you don't understand, don't worry about. It's copied all the information that you wanted. Okay, one last thing. Let's say I wanted it after 2035, not before. All I do is I just click on the actual worksheet and I drag it. And then if I wanted to rename it, I could call it 2034 or whatever I wanted to call it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Later.